guys, welcome back to our trailer restoration part 2. In the first episode we have showed you how we refurbish the wheels. Today we have added the wheel trims on our wheels and we have started building the cage on top of our trailer. I will show you how we secure the cage that is not gonna fly away from our trailer. We have drilled holes in the trailer frame and we're using the pins. If anybody knows what this pin calls, just let us know below in the comments. Basically how it works, you just poke it in. I'm gonna show you how we did it here. So we drill the trailer frame and the cage is inserted inside. So we have a hole through and we're gonna poke the pins inside. And once we do, you will need two hands for this because it's quite difficult. I will try to show you from the button how it looks, basically how it holds there. There is this big wave which is clipped into it. It's not gonna fall out, and you will have to pull it really hard to get it off that you can remove it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Please subscribe to our channel that you don't miss any further videos.